Good morning students. Welcome to my class. Today we will study subject maths chapter 7 topic can you see the pattern? Now we are in third part of this chapter. Okay, here is question number 9. Fill in the empty space by extending the pattern as per rule. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 is equal to 55. Here is this pattern is given. Then second row you see 11 plus 12. So it is understood here is 13, 14 plus 15 plus 16 plus 17 plus 18 plus 19 and here is 20 is equal to 155. अभी देखो टेंस में हमने 11 से लेके 20 तक हम प्लस करेंगे तो वी विल गेट 155. हियर फर्स्ट स्टेप 55 देन 155 मतलब 100 बढ़ गए. ओके then here is you see 21 plus 22 23 24 then 25 26 27 28 29 plus 30 100 then 255 31 32 plus 33 34 35 plus 36 37 38 39 plus 40 200 था तो in here is 355 355 then 41 42 plus 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 plus 50 300 था तो इधर कितना हो जाएगा अगेन 455 then 51 plus 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 plus 60 here is given plus 555. Okay, then here 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 plus 70 then here is last one is 600 500 then after 655. In this pattern we follow and we solve all the sum. Yes, second pattern, see here 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 and 2 2s are 4, it means square of 4 is equal to 2 into 2. Then 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 plus 5 9 square is 3 into 3 3s are 9. Then 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 16. So 16 is the square of 4, so 4 into 4. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 is 25. 1 plus 3 4 plus 5 9 9 plus 7 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 is the square of 5 5s are 25. Here you see 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 then plus 11. Then you count it 1 plus 3 4 plus 5 9 plus 7 16 plus 9 25 plus 11 is 36. Here you see you have to add odd number 36 is a square of 6 are 36. Here you see 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 then here is 11 then here is 13 then 36 then Here you see here 49. 49 is the square of 7. So 7 sevens are 49. Yes, question number 10. Filling the blanks by extending the pattern as per the rule. See pattern 1 into 1 is equal to 1 given. 11 into 11 is equal to 1 to 1. बीच में एक 2 आ गया. 1 2 1. Then 3 times 1. 1 1 1 into 1 1 1 is equal to 1 2 3. 1 2 3 and 21 का पीछे 21. 1 2 भी रहा, बीच में क्या आ गया 3 21. अब इसी पैटर्न को आगे फॉलो अप करते हुए देन हियर इज ब्लैंक. Here is one blank is given. I write here, see here is a 3 time, then I write here 4 time. 1, 2, 3 and 4 into 1, 2, 1, 1, 1 into 1. मतलब इधर आगे 3 time था, here 4 time 1, 1. Then multiply करेंगे, here you see here 3. Then अब हम क्या लिखेंगे, then 3 after 4. So you will write here is this number is given 1, 2, 3. 4 3 2 1. Okay, then extend again here 4 and here is 5. See 1 2 3 4 5 into it is means 5 time 1 लिखेंगे into 5 time 1. So इधर क्या था 4 था, तो अब कौन सा नंबर आ जाएगा 4 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा 5. So we write here 1 2 3 4 5. Then last 3 digit 4 3 2 1 same to same. 5 फिर अब 6 time 1 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 into 1 1 into 1 into 1. Sorry, here is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 6 1. Multiply करेंगे, here is you see here is 5. Then 6 will come. 5 के बाद क्या आ जाएगा 6. So we write 1 2 3 4 5. 5 के बाद क्या लिख देंगे 6. फिर जो नंबर है 5 4 3 2 1. See third pattern 9 minus 1 divide by 8 is equal to 1. Then 98 minus 2 divide by 8 is equal to 12. 9 के बाद इधर क्या लिया 9 पहले लिया then 8. ओके, देन 9 8 के बाद कौन सा 7 minus 3 डिवाइड बाय 8 इज इक्वल टू 1 2 3. ओके, सो फिर इधर 9 8 इधर हियर इज 7 देन 6 minus 4 डिवाइड बाय 8. सो हियर इज 1 2 3 4. ओके, देन 9 8 7 6 इधर 6 तक लिया था, फिर एक नंबर का माइनस 5 minus 5 डिवाइड बाय 8 इज इक्वल टू 1 2 3 4 एंड हियर इज 5. अब इधर नंबर लेंगे, ये लेंगे 9 8 7 6 5 4. हियर 5 था तो क्या हो जाएगा 4 और इधर माइनस 5 के बदले इधर 5 था तो हियर इज 6 डिवाइड बाय 8 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6. ओके, देन 9 8 7 6 5. हियर इज 4 था तो अब 4 एंड देन हियर इज 3 minus 7 divide by 8 is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 and here 7. See our question number 11. Fill in the empty space by extending the pattern as per rule. इसमें जैसे पैटर्न दिया है उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमें एक्सटेंड मीन्स भी हमको आगे बढ़ना है. इधर हियर इज गिवन 12 into 2. 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 3. 24 plus 3 is 27. 12 3s are 36. 36 plus 3 is equal to 39. 12 into 4. 12 4s are 48 plus 3 is equal to 51. 12 5s are 60 plus 3 is equal to 63. Then 12 into what? Here is 5, then here is 6. 12 6 are 72. 72 plus 3 is equal to 75. Then here is no number is given, so it is understood it is 12. 12 7s are 84. 84 plus 3 is equal to 87. Here is no number is given, so understood 12 into 8. 12 8s are 96. 96 plus 3 is 99. Then 12. See here, 12 9s are 108. Here is no space, so we write here 3. You follow this pattern, here all are 3. So 12 9s are 108 plus 3. 108 plus 3 is equal to 111. Here question 12. Draw the shapes in the blank and write number in them as per pattern. First example is given 24, 19 plus 37. In right side also 37 plus 24 plus 19. You see here both side numbers are same but ऑर्डर इज डिफरेंट, मतलब उसकी प्लेस अलग है. इधर जैसे 24 प्लस है तो इधर फर्स्ट 37 है, इसमें सेकंड 19 है तो इधर सेकंड नंबर पे 24 है, और इधर सेकंड नंबर पे 19 है तो यहाँ पे थर्ड नंबर पे 19 है. इट मीन्स हियर इज द ऑर्डर इज डिफरेंट, बट इन एडिशन यू मे एड इन एनी ऑर्डर यू विल गेट द सेम आंसर. आप कोई भी ऑर्डर में उसे प्लस करो आपको सेम आंसर मिलेगा. So in such way we fill all the blanks. First number is here, first 215 plus 120, then blank. In equal to right hand side 600 plus dash is equal to 120. Here 600 and 120 given, in this side 120 and 250 is 215 given, but 600 not given, so we write here 600. In this side 600 given, 120 given, but 215 not given, so we write here 215. Then 56 plus dash is equal to 9 plus 98 is equal to 64 plus dash is equal to 56. Here is 64 is not given, so we write here 64. And here in this side 64 and 56 given, but 98 not given, so we write here 98. Then 14 plus dash plus dash. Here three numbers given, 34, 14 and 20. Here is 14 given, so here we will write 34 and 20. See here 42 given, two numbers not given here. So which one is true? Here is 65 and 80. So you may write here 65 and 80, and here 65 and 80 is written but 42 not given, so we write there 42. Here is 200 plus 300 plus dash is equal to dash 400 plus dash. So here is 200 plus 300 given but 400 not given, so we write there 400. In this side 200 not given plus 400 only written, so we write in this side is 300. Okay. In example number 12 का B1 is example B. Here is the rule of multiple. Multiplication also in same rule. You may multiply the number in any order, you will get the same answer. आप multiply भी कोई भी order में 48 into 13 करो या 38 into 14 करो, you will get same answer. So in this way also 48 into 13, otherwise you write 13 into 48. Here is 27 is given into dash. Here is 72, so we write here 72. Here is 72, so we will write there 27. Here is See, 6 into 9 into dash. Here 10 and 6. Here is 6 written, in this side also 6, but in this side is not 10. So we write there 10. Either 10 and 6. 10 and 6 given, but 9 is not given. So we write there 9. So you may multiply in any order, you will get both sides same answer. इस साइड भी आपको सेम आंसर मिलेगा और इस साइड भी सेम आंसर मिलेगा. Okay, then here is 4 into 5 into dash. Here is 6 is given, so we write there 6. Here is 6 only given, 2 blanks, so we will write 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Here is 10 is given, into dash into dash. In this side 30 and 20, so we will write here 30 and 20. And here is 30 and 20, and here is 1 blank is given, so we will write there 10. Here 50 into dash into 2. Here in this side is 3 and 2 is given, but here is 3 is not given, so we will write there 3. Here it's 3 is dash is 2. Here is 50 is not given, so we will write there 50. Yes, question number 30. Find the sum of all the numbers in the square of 3 into 3 in the calendar as per example. Here is first example here is one calendar is given. Here is Sunday, Monday and Tuesday is just mentioned. And here is written 1, 2, 3, 8, 9 and 10. And 15, 16 and 17. Here is one calendar, A calendar. Give name A calendar. In the example, the smallest number is 1. In this box is smallest number is 1. Add 8 in that number. अगर 1 में हम 8 कर देंगे तो then we will get 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Then multiply 8 with 9. अगर हम उसको multiply कर दें 9 से तो 9 into 9 is equal to 81. और multiply the middle number with 9. You may multiply middle number is 9, so you may multiply with that number also. Okay. Thus the sum of all the numbers in square A is 81. अगर हम ऐसा करते हैं तो हमारा प्लस कितना आया 81. तो इन सेम वे सपोज वी एड 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 15 plus 16 plus 17, you may get एडिशन. हम सबको प्लस करेंगे then we will get the 81. Here is more example is given, then we solve the second example. Here is you see 4, 5 and 6. Here is 4, 5 and 6, 11, 12, 13, 18, 19 and 20. Here is smallest number is 4. So we add 4 plus 1 is equal to, we will get 5. Sorry, 4 plus 8, then we will get here 12. So हमको smallest number पे 8 ऐड करना है. तो 4 plus 8 is equal to, here is 12. Okay. Then multiply with it 9. इसको हम 9 से multiply करेंगे. It with 9. So 12 into 9 is equal to 108. कितना हो जाएगा 108. Thus the sum of all the numbers in square is 108. तो हम ये पूरे स्क्वायर का जो हम प्लस करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा 108. I will give you PDF for homeworks. Do some for this type of calendar, then you solve yourself only. Okay, finished this chapter. I hope you understand full chapter properly. Okay.